Hello everybody, this is just a quick video letting you know about some recent developments regarding my file releases. I am moving all of my stuff to Printables. Printables is a 3D file sharing website, which is much better suited to sharing 3D files than GitHub, which is what I've been using. I've been using GitHub for a few years now to upload all of my things, but I'm going to retire GitHub as a main platform and use it just for posting developmental stuff or prototypes. And Printables is going to become my main file repository. On Printables, I have uploaded every single thing that I have made and released in a full release. So we got all of the normal blasters that you know: Alchemist, Cynthia, PBR, Thumper, Sillymax, Slab is in there. And then we got some less well-known things. Got Low Hardware Townclaw U, got a bunch of different skewer variants, and then tons of mods for all other blasters, which I did earlier in my design career, if you want to call it that. And then these three down here are new uploads as well, but I posted these before I added all of this stuff, so they're at the bottom. But yes, Printables, it's pretty good. Printables is going to be a lot better for me because I can actually see how many times people have downloaded things and how many people like things and all that stuff. On GitHub, I don't have any analytics. I have none. So I don't know how many people downloaded Slab. Not a clue. It has 136 stars. I don't know. And not a lot of people have GitHub accounts to actually do that with. So, I don't know how many people downloaded Slab. Not a clue. Go down here. Got nothing. Not a clue. Printables has these little downloady thingies. So I want to go over to, let's say, Slab and be like, hey, how many people have downloaded Slab so far? 77. How many people have liked it? 73. Views. Click this little analytics thing. See how many people have done it when. That's awesome. So I'm going to be using Printables from now on. And I've got all of my current stuff uploaded there. And all of my future releases are going to be mainly also released on Printables, including Silly Shells, whenever that is this month. But Printables, new main file repository. If you have ever downloaded something from my GitHub or my Thingiverse, and if you've ever built anything of my blasters, ever bought a hardware kit, anything like that, please go to the Printables link in the video description below and go on to whatever thing or things, plural, that you have downloaded before. Go to the new listing, click this download button, hit download all model files, re-download it on Printables to help the analytics and all that stuff get back to where it theoretically should be, and then refresh the page so it will cache that you have actually downloaded something, and then leave a comment or a make with a rating if you can. So I can get these reviews, these 5-star reviews, or however many you deem is adequate for the design. Get some reviews in here, get some makes put in place so people can actually see that these are things that have existed previously, and I haven't just, worked on 73 designs in the span of a week. I want to get some statistics kind of reclaimed from the void of GitHub not marking down how many people have downloaded things. I want to see what people like, because I've never been able to do that before. So if you've ever downloaded anything of mine previously, please go and re-download it here. Help me out. That would be greatly appreciated. As well, during all of this, I have updated all of the listings, to have better documentation and better images. Apologies for my phone going ding. I got some new stuff, so you can see all these new cover photos for all of these blasters here. Looks a lot nicer. And then if we go into the pages themselves, there's some improvements to the way that the text is laid out, improvements to the clarity of the text. I got updated lists of reviews and performance and stuff like that. Got updated donation links. Ooh, fancy. And then, if we go over to something more like the Cynthia listing. This has also been improved quite a bit. We got proper performance stats here. So even if you don't want to go and leave a make or re-download everything for me, just go there and check out the new pages. They are better, they are updated, and they have some nice new stuff. Oh, and I also rendered all of these. Look at this nice render. Ooh, so fancy. Look at this one. So good. Oh, that's the same one. So good. So, yeah, that's all that I got. I'm going to stop rambling. Go to Printables, download the stuff. Leave makes and reviews and comments and likes. Please. I beg you. That's all that I've got for you. Silly Shells are releasing later this month alongside the single-shot shell pistol named Wild Style now. All right. Bye-bye.